I don't know about you guys, but I'm still not that convinced that battery swapping is the best solution. But in China, a lot of people are doing it. Nio's new 57,000 US dollar large, I mean very large, 7-seat electric SUV, it can swap its battery faster than you can pump gas. So this thing has 47 speakers in the cabin, and it's actually an incredible car for the money. On the Electric Viking website, I'll put a link in the description below. We have more articles about electric cars and battery technology than any other website that I'm aware of in the world. So check that out. Link is in the description. And there you'll find our videos and analysis and articles about everything going on in the EV world. So I haven't done a video on Nio for a while. I thought, you know what, it's time. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. This new Nio, the ES9, has two motors delivering 700 horsepower. All models have the same Cadel 102 kilowatt hour battery, but they have foot massagers, back and butt massagers, and a 47 speaker audio system. Now, I don't know about you, but actually I would love this car. I very genuinely would. And, I'm hoping Nio come to Australia one day because we already know that their Firefly little small electric hatch is coming, but that's sort of neither here nor there for me. This is the way I'd like to roll. Anyway, guys, a few months after the first photos and details about the Nio ES9 emerged, which is a direct rival to the Xpeng GX, the huge SUV has been launched and priced in China. It's Nio's most luxurious car ever, and it's being sold in Europe as well. All versions of the ES9 use an advanced 900-volt architecture and come with that 102 kilowatt-hour battery from Cadel. Power comes from two motors, 700 horsepower. 0 to 100 is not all that fast, 4.3 seconds. 0 to 62 miles an hour, but, it's fast enough for a car this size, that's for sure. Driving range is up to 620 kilometers and 385 miles, depending on the variant you get, which, if you get bigger wheels, you're going to get less range than that, obviously. The ES9, though, supports Nio's battery swapping tech, meaning you can swap out that 102 kilowatt hour battery pack if you want to in 3 minutes at one of their thousands of battery swapping stations. Buyers can opt for Nio's battery as a service rental program, and most people actually do. Most people don't even buy these cars with a battery. They just rent the battery. So the starting price brings down the price to 57,000 US dollars if you rent the battery. If you want to own the car with the battery, the price is quite different. It's $73,500. So it's really interesting to see. There is basically a 16,000 US dollar premium to own the battery. 16,000 US dollars for a 102 kilowatt hour battery. Is it worth it? What do you guys think? It's sort of interesting to see that, isn't it? To how that plays out. And what is also interesting is to see how most people don't opt to buy it with the battery. They opt to just rent the batteries and then they swap their battery over when they've run out of charge, or they can swap to different size batteries. You can basically do different things. In the future, there'll be batteries with basically higher energy density. So then you'll get more range out of the same car that you bought maybe 5 years ago. The ES9 is huge. This car is 5,365 millimeters long. It's about the same size as the BYD Great Tang, or the Tang as it's called in other markets. It's 211 inches long, and it's 2 meters wide, which is around 80 inches wide. It's also quite tall, 1,870 millimeters tall, which is 73.6 inches. Given its size, it's probably no surprise it sits on 23-inch wheels, though I do think that it's not a great idea considering the cost of rubber for 23-inch wheels, the loss of range for bigger wheels. But anyway, they do look good. The design, I think, looks great. I really like the look of it. I think the light bar in the rear looks nice. The interior looks incredibly premium. I love those huge iPads that are, and they're not actual iPads, but they look like it, sitting on the back of those two front seats. I reckon I'd prefer to have, a lot of these luxury cars, they have a huge screen that will drop down out of the ceiling. It kind of flips down out of the ceiling. But then you've got to watch what everyone else watches. But to me, having these two large screens on the back of the seats are better because then you can just watch what you want to watch. Good for kids not arguing. So in the cabin, the dashboard has a 15.6-inch infotainment display and a 48-inch screen stretching across the dash. There's also a large heads-up display, lots of premium materials, and the second row seats is kind of like first class. You get massaging seats, massages in the floor. Yeah, there's captain's chairs, and those massage things that I mentioned before are 42-point massage systems, including massaging footrests that fold down from the rear of the front seats. There's also a panoramic glass roof and a 47-speaker audio system and a fridge to keep your drinks cool. And the fridge can be a heater to heat things up for you. Guys, this is one pretty damn amazing car for that amount of money. You can see why sales for, Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, you can see why they're really struggling here, because when this is an alternative, it's cheaper and damn, it's incredibly nice. You can see why people are buying cars like this in China. Guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description.